Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you the secret of making the best candy yams ever, or candied sweet potatoes. Guys, this is so rich, so flavorful and delicious. Oh my god, it will blow your mind. Alright, so who doesn't like secrets? So stick around and I'll show you how it's done. Those who are here for the first time, guys, would you please consider subscribing? Hit that notification bell, like, share, and comment on this video. Alright, look at that, guys. OMG, my mouth is just watering here. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Okay, so now guys, I will be peeling about 3 medium-sized potatoes, and I'm using a vegetable peeler. Makes my life a little easier. But if you want to peel it with a knife, that is just fine. Trying to work smarter here, not harder. Alright, so just peel really well, just like that. And I'm washing these out. Then I'm using a paper towel and dry this really good and set aside. So now I'll be using a really sharp knife, and I'll be cutting this to about maybe 1/4 inch thick. Or you can choose to slice this to however you want to slice it to. Alright, that all depends on you. These are the rest of the ingredients that we'll be using. Now, to a preheated pan, make sure your pan is in really low heat. You would like the butter to melt slowly without burning, just like that. So now I'm using some very light brown sugar, and I'll give that a good stir. And I'm also using a non-stick pan, which I love to make this kind of sugary stuff in. So now I'm adding some dark brown sugar. Give that a good stir. Now when you see that little bubbles like that, and you move the spatula around, the grains are gone. It's ready for the rest of the ingredients. I'm adding some nutmeg, cinnamon, allspice, and give that a good stir. Mix everything in really well. Alright, so now for our secret ingredients. Some zested orange and some ground ginger. Lemon juice, give that a good stir, and some orange juice. And that is freshly squeezed, guys. Alright, mix that really well and taste this. Like, oh my god. And I'm using half of the vanilla extract now. Amazing. So it's about that time for us to add the candy yams. Add the yams. Alright, so that is what I'm doing here. Amazing. And I did lower the stove just a little bit here so I can coat these yams / sweet potatoes really well. Alright, so allow this to cook for about 10 minutes on the stove top. You want the potatoes to absorb all that beautiful, rich, buttery, delicious syrup. Then I'm going in with the rest of my vanilla extract. Guys, please make it like this if you haven't done this already. Okay, I promise you, you would not regret it. Alright, so it's about 10 to 12 minutes on the stove top. Looks amazing. And then I transfer that to my Pyrex dish right there. I'm scooping the rest of that beautiful syrup right on top. And then I'll bake this in the oven for about 35 minutes. Amazing. Look at that, guys. My mouth is watering. Alright, that is what it looks like. And it's done. It's time for me to eat. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for spending the time with me today. I hope you do like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and comment. If you make it like this, let me know. If you do it differently, let me know also. So you guys have a fabulous day. Do enjoy. See you on the next one. Bye bye.